Listen up. Every single day, founders, investors, leaders battle the same brutal fight, chasing trends that vanish, pouring money where blind hope burns, watching opportunities slip through their fingers like sand. It's exhausting, it's maddening, and worst of all, it's completely avoidable. Right now, millions throw capital blindly because they fail to see the true signals beneath the noise. They're stuck chasing yesterday's headlines, trapped in hype cycles that crash and burn. And you? If you keep playing by those worn-out rules, you will bleed value. You will lose your edge. You will watch others, smarter, faster, more connected, swoop the future while you're stuck in the ruins of faded sectors. But here's the raw truth nobody wants to shout. Sector trends aren't just stories. They are the universe's secret roadmap for venture capital flows. They are the pulse of real, unstoppable movements shaping the market's DNA. You don't predict venture capital by guessing what's trendy on Twitter or spinning buzzwords. You do it by reading the underground shifts, the ecosystem tectonics no one talks about. The deadly mistake is treating sectors like static blocks. Tech here, health there, fixing your gaze on the obvious. No. Sectors evolve, merge, split apart violently, driven by forces bigger than economies, mindset shifts, global disruptions, radical innovation waves. Those who grasp this don't just survive, they dominate. Here's the first thing no one tells you. Watch the outliers, the weird intersections no one believes in. When renewable energy collides with AI automation, when biotech merges with decentralized finance, those are your landmines and gold mines. Ignore the safe bets. If your capital isn't flowing to those raw, messy intersections, you're already behind. Next, obsess over user behavior shifts at the edges, where consumer frustration hits a boiling point and screams for change. Venture capital follows pain. It flows like blood to the wounded, to the broken systems desperate for healing. Look deeper than revenue growth. Look for broken assumptions people still believe in. Then find battles to fight there. Then master the narrative of time. Sector trends don't move in neat lines. They surge, plateau, crash, then reboot unpredictably. The pros know when to jump in before the crowd notices and when to pull out before illusions collapse. It's not about reckless speed. It's about ruthless timing built on relentless granular data and intuition forged in the fire of countless failed bets. You must build a dynamic radar tuned to signals that normal investors miss. Spot regulatory whispers months before they become headlines. Track small policy shifts that ignite entire industries. Follow talent migrations. Not who's hot now, but where the sharp minds flow quietly, because that's where real value pools. Most crucially, stop worshipping your past wins or identities. Sector trends will chew up yesterday's heroes. Complacency is a silent killer. The market rewards brutal self-overcoming, constantly adapting, pivoting, discarding what's comfortable. If you crave breakthroughs, your mindset must be brutal and precise. Honor agility, demand ruthless honesty, seek brutal feedback loops inside your network, fight the illusion of comfort in predictability, embrace the chaos that births transformation. Now here's the moment to act. Connect with the few who see the world unfiltered, founders who build in the shadows of mainstream logic, investors who fund revolutions, partners who weave fierce networks across sectors. Build your own autonomous arena, scratch the illusions, and forge hard lines between insight and hype. This network is your lifeline to anticipatory knowledge, your shield against the herd's blind rush. Use it to lock in deals before trends explode, to understand not just where capital flows, but why it gushes like a wildfire. Every second wasted still gambling on yesterday's trends is a second lost forever. This is not a game for the faint-hearted or comfortable dreamers. It's for those burning inside with a hunger to see the machine, to crack its code, to ride the wave before it breaks. If you dare to break illusions, to rewrite the rules, to master the forces driving venture capital flows, then stop scrolling. Start hunting the signals no one else dares to track. Because the edge isn't given, it's claimed. Move fast, dive deep, connect fiercely. Predict the flows by decoding the chaos. This is how the future belongs to you.